currently with about 15 minutes remaining of the T-minus 9-minute hold. Weather looks good. All systems are performing nominally. We're not marking any technical issues. And our countdown clock will resume at 18:31 and 42 seconds GMT.
Endeavour Houston, we see a nominal MECO.
Distance, a ribbon of black, stretched to the point of no turning back. A flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reel. A fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape this irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit Ice is forming on the tips of my